So one thing, just to expand your vocabulary on a particular topic, if you just want to kind of zoom in and not follow the book or whatever, is to try and almost like map out, let's say, food. Yeah, and then to try and think about the categories of words. So you might have some nouns. Yeah, so you can do a little bubble with some
Yes.
nouns that are maybe specific. So I don't know, maybe it's like dinner table, a pot or a pan, or I don't know, some ingredients. So you list them, and then you do another little bubble, maybe for some verbs specific. So it would be like
Right.
cooking or boiling or mixing or blending or roasting. And then you can do another one, which will maybe be a bit more subjective, but you can do some adjectives. Is it like
Hot.
salty or
Yeah.
sweet or hot or yummy or
Nice.
spicy or
Thank
whatever?
you.
And then you can have that. Then you can also like write a couple of like det är gott, det är salt, det är sött, or whatever. And then for the, I don't know, for the verbs or for the ingredients, maybe you can write some questions like do you have, or har vi, do we have, thinking about it like as a, I don't know, spider diagram, or like related bubbles, but think of them. And even if you just do a couple of nouns, a couple of verbs, and a couple of adjectives that sort of link together for that context. Some verbs you will maybe only use in one context, but you might find that, some verbs go across. And then if you do that about, I don't know, films or TV series, so that's going to be like verbs like watching or enjoying or liking or thinking. I thought this was rubbish, or I thought this was great. So you then have the adjectives like great, funny, boring.
Wow.
On the noun side, you would have things like a TV series, an episode, a season, a film, an actor, a director. So you can then sort of map almost like a little world or a bubble of sort of keywords.